Welcome to a video with the Detroit Science Guy. Breaking news, there's ongoing eruptions at the Kilauea volcano in Hawaii. The current volcano alert level is at watch. 9,600,000 cubic meters of lava erupted with an average of less than 250 cubic meters per second, according to the Hawaiian Volcano Observatory. Lava fountains at the north vent reach up to 500 feet. 50,000 tons per day of sulfur dioxide emissions are expected during the continuance of these events. The fountaining of lava continued 13.4 hours throughout September the 2nd. It's been active since mid-August.